Boom! Let's go all back, please, all back. See, I tried to get some good little hit waves in there. It's hard. That's Peach's Perch is that huge rock with the water flowing over in the middle of the river. And then there's Philosopher's Hole. That's where we hit that one big wave. It's pretty cool. Let's go all forward, guys. So how long you been in the automotive business? Yeah, awesome. That's how my dad is. Yep. Well, and he just does it for fun. I mean, he's a machinist.
Oh, okay, so is my dad.
Yeah? Yeah, and then cars for fun and stuff.
Where's he work?
He works at Teal Automatic.
Okay.
It's on University in Culver.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Gleason's works, yeah. Yeah, my dad's been at Teal for like 25 years. He's a supervisor now. Start paddling towards Chuck, guys. Get that paddle moving. Yep. Keep paddling, guys. Paddle together. Back paddle, back paddle, back paddle, back paddle. There you go. Then paddle hard towards Chuck, guys. Keep that boat pointed right at him. Good job, guys, digging in. Awesome. You guys are going to be ripped by the end of this trip. Oh, thank you. I'm going to put it on Facebook Sunday night. This way, this way.